Hello, yes, welcome back to this class again. Okay, we are dealing with angles between lines, the basic ideas of angles between lines, and we have successfully dealt with some um, theorems like complementary angles, angles sum up to 90 degrees, supplementary angles, angles sum up to 180 degrees, and then we also dealt with what angles at a point, okay, which are sum up to 360 degrees. Then we said that when two angles are added up to 360 degrees, those angles are called conjugate angles. And then we also looked at vertically opposite angles. When two lines are crossing, the angles formed opposite to each other, they are what? Vertically opposite. And then so we said they are what? Equal. Also, we now moved on to what? Angles in parallel lines. Under angles in parallel lines, we successfully dealt with what we call alternate angles. Okay, angles between two parallel lines formed on the either side of the transversal. Okay, those are what? Alternate angles. Then we now looked at what? Corresponding angles. Corresponding angle formed on what? On a transversal, on the same side of a transversal but on different parallel lines. So those are what? Corresponding angles. So the last one before we dive into this example, before we solve this problem, the last one we're going to be looking at is what we call allied angles. Allied angles. Allied angles, or they're called co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. When you have two parallel lines, okay, and then you have a transversal, maybe the transversal is shortened, you can decide to elongate it. Okay, so the angles formed on the same side inside the parallel line, you see, those angles are what? Called allied angles. So what's so special about them? If we have this place to be T, and we have this place to be U, so what we can say is what? T plus U will be equals 180 degrees. You can see allied angles are also supplementary. Now three um there are three theorems talking about supplementary angles now. Okay, some of angles on the straight line are supplementary, some of angles on the straight line is supplementary, and then some of angles in the triangle supplementary. Also, some of allied angles also, they are what? Supplementary. So allied angles are supplementary. Allied angles are supplementary. Okay, so allied angles are supplementary. So this angle here and the one here too, they are also supplementary. Okay, let's say this is W and this is X. So W plus X is also equal to 180 degrees because allied angles are supplementary. So let's quickly deal with this example here. We have to calculate the value of X in the diagram below. Calculate the value of X in the diagram below. Now, um, the parallel lines we have here, because there's an arrow here and there's an arrow on this, okay, has been shortened. So we need to elongate, or we create another one parallel to them both. Okay, let me uh, create another one which can enable us to calculate what we need to calculate here. We can form this one here parallel to this. We can elongate it backwards. Okay, we discover that this one too can go this way. We can also elongate this. Then that shows that what? That shows that this line is what? Is a transversal. You can elongate it. It's a transversal. So let us form. Okay, let me clean this place so as not to cause confusion. I can form an angle here. Let me call it angle y. Okay, I can say that y plus 113 degrees is 180 degrees. And what's that reason? Allied, you see, allied angles. Allied angles are supplementary. So allied angles are supplementary. So we have y equals 180 degrees minus 113 degrees. And so what does that give us? 10 minus 3, 7. 7 minus 1, 6. So that's 67 degrees. So you will discover that 143 degrees and x combined with y, they are related. If we elongate this one now, okay, you will discover that the angle here is related to the angle here. Alright, so that shows that what? X plus y will be equals to 143 degrees. X combined with y is what? 43 degrees. And what's that rule? And the rule is alternate angles. Okay, alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. So from there we can have we've got the value of y to be 67 degrees. So we have x plus 67 degrees equal to 143 degrees. So we have x equals 143 degrees minus 67 degrees. So x equals to, 13 minus 7, that gives us 6. So okay, that's 76 degrees. All right. Okay. Yeah, 76 degrees. So that's the value of x. Thank you. God bless you. You can as well visit some of my videos on this particular topic. Okay, and check them out. Also, don't forget to click the red button below to subscribe, and also click on the bell so as to get notified each time I drop a new video. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.